Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video I want to share with you the #1 way to build your stockpile up if you're just starting off. Even if you're not starting off and you're professional or whatever, I just want to throw some ideas out there to you guys. I highly recommend that you guys pay attention because Walgreens just had a 90% sale, okay? Now, I know you guys like, this video is old. She just putting this out, and this been a while ago. Wait a minute, I am doing this video now because I want to throw out there to you guys, there is still stuff out there for 90% off at Walgreens. Again, there is still stuff out there in your stores that is still marked 90% off. Okay, so go check them out and go clean up, go hurry up. Y'all better come on now. And I also want to do this video because a lot of people be putting videos out there just saying it's just summer toys. No. Hold up. There's other items out there that are not summer toys that are available for 90% off. Okay, you guys, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna count to 3 and I'm gonna show you what you can get for 90% off. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's get it. Okay, you guys, another thing I want to throw out there to you that I feel that is very important, guys, if you are in the gift basket business, you know how important it is for stuffed animals. I need you guys to go out there and clean up on these stuffed animals, because I only paid 79 cents. Yes, you heard correctly, 79 cents for these stuffed animals, you guys. Now, they have way more out there. You got to look in your stores. I seen some, the big Mickey Mouses. If you follow Birthing Bosses with Felicia, you'll see that she had those huge Mickey Mouses. I seen those for $1.99. Now, I passed it up. I did pass it up. Now I regret it. I'm going to see if they still have it out there, because I just wanted to stick with the ones that were 79 cents. But you guys, I highly, highly recommend you go out to your Walgreens and hit up that 90%. There's still stuff out there for that 90% off, you guys. And also, I need you to stay posted, because what I'm going to do, okay, y'all need to listen to me. What I'm going to do, you see that stuffed animal, 79 cents. I am going to show you step by step how to turn this 79-cent stuffed animal where you can sell it for $50 and up. Super simple, super easy, and I'm going to show you how I did. I was highly impressed on Mother's Day how well they sold, and I'm going to show you. I'm gonna give you the tea. I'm gonna give you the tea. I'm gonna give y'all the tea. So y'all stay posted. I thank y'all for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.